I mentioned earlier about the piston heads, and I'm backed up again by another A4 sheet about this Chevy V8 6.3 litre engine, 500 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. I think that must be about the quickest we've had. 170 miles an hour plus. Best raced really, rather than going down our front drive. But would you like to go tenderly down, gently taking account of the fact that British cars have been on this drive before you? We didn't hear that, did we really?
Why did they say that? Why did he will he come back a bit faster?
Slower, I think.
I think that's fast. These are all connected together. Take a picture of it.
It's not easy to
What about if we feel it, then we can take a picture? What a tractor!
It's amazing how quickly a little bit of grounding out sort of makes people go a bit slower. Having said that, it's a quick car.